Okay, we're looking at Pop Goes the Weasel, and as you see, we're in a 3/4 time signature, which means each measure gets 3 beats. If you need a little help refreshing your memory on time signature, please click the link above to refresh your memory on time signature. But for this video, I'm going to assume you understand time signature and 3/4 time. So we know that each measure gets 3 beats. We're going to go in the middle C hand position, and we're going to look at the first section. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C, C, D, D, E, E, C. Then we go to G. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the next section. Let's look at the second section. Middle C hand position. Here we go. C, C, D, D, E, C, G. Okay. So that's how you play the next section. Okay. Here's our next section. The left hand starts first with middle C playing finger number 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C, C, D, D, E, G, E, C. Okay, let's look at the last section. In measure 13, you can see that there are 2 notes that have to be played together. You have note G and note A, and there is an accent above it, which means you have to play louder and with emphasis. Okay, so that has to be played louder than the other notes with emphasis. Okay, so let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G and A, D, F, E, C. And you should know that a dotted half note in a 3/4 time signature gets 3 beats. Nice work. Great job. Now try to play along with the backing track in the next video. See you there.